Noritz Tankless water heaters use built-in diagnostic error codes to warn you when something isn't operating correctly. These codes appear on the control panel and act as an early warning system, helping you catch small problems before they turn into expensive repairs. Paying attention to these alerts protects your unit's efficiency, lifespan, and safety. One of the most common codes is error 11, which signals an ignition failure. This means the burner couldn't light or maintain a flame. Typical causes include low gas supply, blocked air intake, or buildup on the ignition electrode. Start by confirming the gas valve is open, checking for airflow obstructions, and inspecting for visible debris. Error 16 indicates overheating protection has activated. This usually happens due to mineral scale buildup inside the heat exchanger, especially in hard water areas. Descaling the unit and cleaning inlet filters often resolves this. Installing a water softener can help prevent repeat issues. Error 29 points to condensate drainage problems. Inspect the condensate line for clogs, improper slope, or freezing during cold weather. Proper drainage is essential for safe operation. More serious codes, such as 31, 32, and 33, relate to thermistor sensor failures, while error 70 signals a circuit board issue. These typically require professional service, as replacing sensors or control boards involves electrical components and can void your warranty if handled improperly. A system reset may temporarily clear some codes, but it doesn't solve the root cause.